Second day, a little 360 video. Nate, Larry, I'm gonna go take a quick tour. Duly noted. I'm gonna take a quick walk around. You guys can get a feel for what the conference is all about. And if you got a mobile device, tablet, it's a fun way to watch this because you can move it around. So it's gonna be 360, so you'll be able to see around me, in front of me, all over the place. So let's take a quick walk and give you an idea of what electric power is all about. So pretty good turnout. I know they've got easily a few hundred booths that are set up. So a lot of good attendance from both the vendor side as well as power generators and distribution grid. Operators are here as well. So pretty wide selection. I really like the one over here to the left with the marine robotics. That one's pretty cool. Not sure how they get all the water out of there, but that's a pretty cool setup as well. Other interesting setups going on over here. Tesla coil over there at their booth. Kind of fun to play with. I think it's called the Tesla coil. I don't know. Leave a comment below if you know what it actually is. And so you got Siemens over here with their large section, as always, set up here. And then we'll make a right and take you up to the front and do another walk through, show you Sunbelt, Kelly Enclosure. Talked to those guys last time over at PowerGen. Pretty interesting group to work with if you're looking for portable enclosures and setups for your jobs. Leckler, another good company I've worked with in the past for their gas conditioning towers, so they do some good work there. So Sunbelt Rental. Actually, let's cut back over. Interesting dust extraction and enclosure machine. Belts, belt conveyors, idlers, and whatnot. United Rental. So United Rental is doing something pretty cool. They actually partnered with the Fisher House, and any unused toiletry items from your hotel room, they are taking those and they're going to donate them to a local charity, and those will be distributed to those that need those kind of toiletries. So a really cool idea on their part, so big props to United Rental for thinking out of the box on that one. So now we're back. So just a quick little nickel tour of what you'll see if you guys come back to Electric Power. And Nate and Larry will say bye.
Bye-bye, guys. See you guys.
So talk to you later. Hope you enjoyed the tour.